Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you guys Videogen AI. It's another video generation tool. Okay, you can find it by clicking videogen.io. I'll be leaving the link below inside the description of this video. Okay, so what the Videogen is? Okay, so they claiming that it's introducing Videogen, the world's first AI that can create and edit videos for you. If it's first, I don't think so. Okay, and unless they were way before the other tools like NVIDIA or any other those tools which we are covering in this channel already. Unless they were created before them. Okay, I don't know. I don't think so. Okay, but the thing is that still it is interesting tool. That's why I decided to make a video about it. Okay, by looking at the monthly visitors, okay, you can see there is about 641,000 people visiting the website on the monthly basis, which is quite large number of people, and that's good. Okay, it means that this is something which people are using. Okay, and they averaging spending 4 minutes. All right, so let's say that somebody needs to create a video or two. Okay, and it can easily be done using this tool. So yeah, average amount of time spent on this, on this website is 4 minutes. Basically means that the users are there, people are using this video. It's a good sign. Okay, so yeah, here's their sales page. Okay, this the type of videos you can expect from them. Okay, trusted over by 1 million plus marketers, creators, professionals, and businesses. Okay, that's the large amount of people. Okay, it's over a million people who are already using it according to their claims. Okay, and that shouldn't be far away from the true. Okay, because you can see it's 641,000 visitors a month, and they are on average spending 4 minutes. Basically means that the people are not only visiting because they have found some links. Okay, because of their marketing efforts, also because of that. But people simply using the tool. Okay, that's all. Some good feedback. Okay, there you go. Some people who actually have a large amount of people following them, like 5 million plus TikTok followers. Okay, so video is the most underrated tool for content creators who want to put out the highest quality content in the shortest amount of time. Perfect. Okay, from the person who already have some sort of established social presence. There you go. It's a good sign. All right. So what you can do with it, okay? Do you value your time? So we do. Welcome to the fastest video creation experience ever. Videogen will help you write, narrate, find stock footage, and edit it all together. Okay, so one-click video creation, 3+ million copyright free assets, safe for commercial use. Okay, so you can say that whatever you will do via this video gen tool. Okay, it will be safe for you to use. Okay, obviously it's always nice to go and check it out before you post it, all right, according to their terms and conditions. But that's their claim on their main website. All right, so there we go. Some sort of additional features like unique voices, 100 plus unique voices, 50 plus languages and accents. And there we go. And they are apparently to be indistinguishable from human voices, which basically means the shoe sounds very real. Okay, add edits with ease. Okay, so obviously you can do some edits on the videos which will be creating for you, and so on and so forth. Okay, here we go. So now let's go quickly to the pricing itself before we jump into the studio. Right, so let's see the pricing. 20 times 25 times faster, 200 times cheaper. Okay, so video production typically costs between 100 and 1000 dollars per minute. A video Gen AI video will do that for 30 pence, for 30 cents. Okay, there you go. That's their claim. Let's go and look into the monthly bills. Okay, so for pro version, you're gonna be paying $24 a month. Okay, and you will have up to 60 minutes per month, which equals to 60,000 AI credits. Okay, maximum video length 10 minutes, 10,000 characters. Okay, AI artist image generation 30 per month, and storage 50 gigabytes. All right, get images downloads, and Getty images downloads. It's not included inside this one, and you also upload custom media, unlimited brands, text to video API access that's not available here, priority support, early access to new features. Okay, so this is not available through the pro version. Okay, however, there's still those type of up to 16 minutes and this and this and that. It is available here. Okay, if you want to scale, you have a scale version, scale bundle for $99 a month. For there will be 300 minutes per month creation, 300,000 credits, 20 minutes maximum video length, and AI artist image generation 100 per month, which is with the surge of 200 gigabytes. All right, so there you go. That's with the scale, and also with the business version is $330 a month, and everything goes way above everything what you've seen before. Okay, so 1000 minutes per minute, 30 minutes up to 30 minutes video, 300 per month artist image generations, and 1 terabyte, 1000 gigabytes of storage. Okay, so but yeah, 1 terabyte of storage here it's also available. And everything else what hasn't been available here previously, like upload custom media, unlimited brands, text to video API access, priority support, early access to new features, is all available under the business plan, which obviously is being created for heavy users. Okay, if you want to pay annually, obviously everything drops on a monthly basis to 1666 220, but you will have to pay this once off every year, $192 for the pro scale, 792, and for business 2640. All right, so that's the pricing. And now let's jump into the software itself. We are inside the Videogen AI software. Okay, very pretty straightforward. Okay, on right on the right hand side, there is a studio here. Okay, on the left hand side you see the simple menu. Okay, where you can find the home screen, media, brand kit, API, AI artists, affiliates, usage, and support. Right here on the studio, you can generate video right away, add your brand, refer and earn, get API access. Okay, that's API access is for the business user. Right, so obviously they're gonna ask you to upgrade. Okay, so this upgrade plan here and here is everywhere visible, so you won't miss it. Okay, and now let's go simply and go and generate video. Okay, so let's go and choose the template first. So each template is tuned for a specific video style and purpose. Okay, and we have a few things which we can use here. Okay, so you can start from blank. Okay, there's nothing there. You can go start blank and do your own creation. Okay, you can use it for TikTok or Reel, Instagram Reels. You can do the promotions. You can satirize, search engine optimization, explain video, cartoon, website to video, advertising, YouTube, and others. Okay, plenty of templates to choose from. Everyone will find something for themselves. But here, let's go ahead and we want to do some simple explainer video. Okay, and now the next step, okay, outline your video. Add resources for Videogen to incorporate into your video. Then tell Videogen what you want video to be about. Okay, so add media, you can do that. However, you need to be a pro user to do it. Okay, you can add website and add brand. Okay, so by doing the add website, you will need to actually be a business user. Basically, you have to pay the highest tier of their of their monthly or annual bill. Okay, so here, okay, for those two you can use it obviously, but you need to pay the lowest pro. But for a website you have to pay the business. Okay, but now let's leave it on the side. And now if we want to do, let's say we want to do something about the gardening. Okay, a simple word. Okay, and now let's go and see what it can be achieved within our profile. Okay, where I haven't paid for this video, I'm just showing you guys what can be achieved here within on the free version. And if you feel like you'll be interested in getting this tool, you can definitely, I like those type of tools where you can go and check it for yourself for as a free user. Okay, you can create at least one video and see what is possible here. Because if you can can create one video for free and you feel comfortable with creation and that with the outcome of that video, okay, you decided, yeah, that tool is for me. I'm willing to spend money, or I'm willing to put my credit card details into it, okay? But if somebody is not offering me any sort of free credits or at least one video which I can see, from the beginning all the way to the end, how it's going to be created and so on and so forth, even without the features of download. I can create a video without the download, no problem at all, but I can do it without spending a dime first, okay? If I feel comfortable, yeah, that's fine. The process is nice. The outcome is very good. Quality, I like everything. Then I can decide if that's something which I want to purchase, okay? I like this particular one because it gives you opportunity to do something for free and see what the quality of the outcome will be, okay? So now script length, okay? For you can do up to 50 short, 150 words and so on and so forth, okay? 50 words is absolutely fine. And obviously you get a number of different languages available here, okay? So now start with the blank script. We can do that. We can put our own script if we wish if we have something, I don't know, we generate it via the cloud or ChatGPT, or we can go and generate a script here. We're gonna do that now. It shouldn't take long, yeah, a couple of seconds. And here you go, as a short script being generated automatically by built-in AI. Now we can choose the voice of our narrator, okay? Few different voices, okay? So here go. Doesn't matter, I think the first one, which is here, it's absolutely no problem at all.
Welcome to the future of video. Videogen makes it easy for anyone to start.
Yeah, it's really a human-like voice. It's hard to actually establish the difference. If it's been generated by AI or if it's really human like voice. Okay, so I like it. I already like this tool because the
Welcome to the future of video. Videogen makes it easy.
yeah, you can hear even an accent. Okay, so that's
Welcome to the future of video.
yeah, there you go. So I think that's something which is quite cool. I don't know how they do it. They do it on their own, or they have some sort of APIs being linked with 11 Labs or something like that. I don't know, but the quality is quite good. So now let's go and generate your video. Okay, which type of aspect ratio we want to choose. Okay, yeah, it's fine. Landscape is absolutely fine, or we can do something for TikTok. Let's go for TikTok then. Okay, media libraries. Okay, those two plans you have to pay for if you want to use them. All right, remember, so generate cartoon style images for each scene for your script. So if you want to use the AI generation, you have to be a pro user. If you want to use the iStock by Getty Images, you have to be a business user. All right, so remember that. Now scene pacing. Okay, we can want to add your brand's media library, request enterprise access. Okay, that's not what we will be interested in at this stage, but some of you guys might be. And scene pacing. Okay, we can do it as a fast, medium, slow, or very slow. Okay, medium is absolutely fine. Okay, and let's go and generate video. It should be the last step now. We just have to wait for the minute and the video will be generated for us. Okay, there we go. Not even 5 seconds and it's already there. Okay, so here we go. It's our script. Script voice. That's the voice. We can always change it. We can do some music. We can add some music. We can add some captions. And the captions here, let's say that we want to do this type of captions, and you can see that this caption has been changed here, right? So that's quite interesting. And let's listen to it.
Gardening is the art of cultivating plants for beauty, food, or enjoyment. Start by selecting the right location with ample sunlight and good soil. Choose plants suited to your climate. Water them regularly, and remember to
I think that's quite interesting. What they're already looking for some sort of feedback. Okay, script generation, that's no problem. Thank you for your feedback. Perfect. Uh, that's no problem at all. Look, guys, I think that's quite interesting. Okay, the narrator. Actually, I heard this guy many times over in different type of YouTube videos, and I think 11 Labs do have this voice already on their list. So that's why I'm thinking that who knows, maybe they have some sort of API which they linked with 11 Labs or not. But anyway, that's a good quality. Okay, the stock images like those videos are pretty much on the topic, which is absolutely fine. Sometimes when you're going through those AI video generation tools, sometimes those stock images or AI images, they are not really you know they are all over the place. Okay, but this one, it actually really picked the right thing. Okay, so I think that's a good sign. uh Here you go. Here you can do some sort of editing, and so on and so forth. So look, guys, overall, I'm very happy with this software. As I said, like, I'll be leaving the link to this inside the description, so you can go and check it yourself. And I think that's all. Just go and check it. Like I said, you can go and create it for free and see if you are happy. If you are happy, obviously you just need to choose one of those plans to start to paying for the software, and then once you start paying for the software, you can download all this all those assets and start using them for your business purposes. Okay, so look, that's all I think what I want to cover inside this video. And if you like it, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, obviously just leave it down below, and if you can subscribe to my channel, it will be much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching.